Hello guys. Yan ang ating prinsesita. Meron tayong package, unboxing tayo. Actually, this package ay binili ko sa Temu. It cost me about more than 50 pounds, I think.
More than 50.
So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pinagbibili ko. So, it took about a week. Actually, hindi naman masyado matagal. So, buksan natin. Unang-una, bumili tayo nito.
What is that?
Black box traffic recorder. So, dashcam. Ang problema, medyo tati yung box look. Ito ay parang 21 pounds na. Tingnan natin ang laman. Ayan. Parang hindi siya, box pa lang, parang hindi matibay. Pero tingnan natin ang loob. Yan, yung camera. Mukha naman siyang matibay. Ang kasama niyan ay charger. Saka yung holder. Para yung kasing meron ako, laging natatanggal. Ito medyo mumurahin yung tape na ginamit. Hindi ko alam kung mag-hold yan. So yan lang ang laman, guys, no. So yan. Medyo mahal yan, 21 pounds ang bili ko, pero subukan natin kung magtatagal. Kasi yung nandun sa akin is hindi na masyado magandang mag-record. The next one na meron tayo is yung Godox na light modifier. Tingnan natin kung maganda. Ang Godox kasi normally magandang klase. Tingnan natin kung magandang klase to. So may adapter siyang kasama. Hindi ko alam kung ito ay genuine na Godox, no? So may adapter na kasama. Yan. May another adapter na kasama. Ito siguro ay pang kwanto, ayan. Tingnan natin mamaya kung mag-work siya. Wow, malaki pala to. So, pang flash to, pang flash. Mukhang maganda to, guys.
It's massive.
So, mukhang maganda siya. Yan.
Oh.
It's a dome.
It looks like a lolly.
So, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa normal na... Hindi ko lang alam kung paano siya gagamitin sa kuwan. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya gagamitin dun sa mismong... Itong adapter na ito ay hindi ko alam kung paano kakabit.
We're gonna have to search up.
We're gonna have to search up. There's no manual actually.
There's no manual.
Kung paano ikakabit. Pero,
Dad, maybe it's here, but we just can't understand it.
Anyway, we'll find out how we are going to use this, because I'm sure there's a way to use this.
There's a way.
Oh yes, that goes like that, and then it goes in.
That makes sense. I think you have to like push it down to a rectangle when you do that, so it's easier. Because like it's all squishy and mushy. When it's like flat, it would probably
There you
be
go.
easier.
So that's gonna go in our yung ating round na flash. It's nice. It feels good. So that's that one there. That cost about I think that cost about I don't know, I can't remember now.
What's that?
So this is a mic.
A mic.
Wireless microphone. This one I think is few pounds, 5 pounds something or 8 pounds something, I can't remember. So mukhang maganda din to. Ite-test natin to mamaya sa ating microphone. Cha-charge muna natin. So may charger siyang kasama. Yan, which says 75%. Meron siyang cable din na USB-C. Tapos, ayan yung mic.
Wow. So it is two of the mic.
Ikakabit mo lang. Oops. Ikakabit mo lang to dito. Tapos may microphone ka na. Hindi natin alam kung gaano kaganda.
So 2 mic and 1 adapter.
2 mic. Tapos ito ikakabit sa cellphone. Kaya lamang pang iPhone siya na walang adapter. Dapat may adapter to na papunta ng USB-C para magamit diyan. Pero we will try and do that. So, rechargeable siya. Pero hindi natin alam kung gaano kaganda ang tunog, which we will check. I-charge muna natin. Okay, so that's that one. Let's put that on charge. 74% agad. So that's that one.
How many
And
more?
then we have another one here, which is
It's opened.
very small. I thought it's a big one. It's already open. Look at that.
What is that?
That is what you call very flimsy, very thingy. Space cup. Pero dapat ito.
What is a space cup?
It's a space cup, but it should be something that smokes, like provides the steam inside the car. But how we do that?
I think you have to put it in the bottom there. Untwist it and put it in the bottom.
But how we do the there's no manual.
Looks like we'll have to search it.
There's no manual, but this is supposed to be, when you press, it should be smoking.
Which bit do you have to press?
I don't know, there's nothing to press there.
I see.
Right. That's probably a waste of money, that one. Now, I thought this is bigger as well, but this is very small.
What is it?
This is a rotator. A small rotator, but I was expecting a little bit bigger. But anyway, this probably will do for the rings when we do the so that is a rotator, guy. It rotates when you put the ring there. Take some video. That should be.
This is very confusing.
It comes with a charger as well. We'll try that one.
I can't figure it out, so we're gonna have to search it.
When you buy in Temu, guys, it's always a little bit smaller than what you expect. This one is it's a little bit smaller than what I expected. I thought it would be about that big.
Is that
So
it?
that's that one.
There's more!
And then
Jeez.
we have this one.
Backdrop.
This is a backdrop. I think it's a small backdrop as well, but there's none left. That's about it. So, yan guys, Temu products. What are you doing? Let's try and see if this is what I expect. it to be.
Trying to find out how this works because there's like these little tab things on the inside that connect with these things.
It's
I don't really know what to do. Is it double sided?
this is actually big.
It's massive.
This is actually big, guys. It's nice. Look at this. Massive.
These bits are little. This is a little sticker, but I don't know.
This one is acceptable. I like this one. It's tall. It's about. I wasn't expecting this to be that big, but can't complain.
That's what makes it smell good.
Oh, that's probably it.
I don't know.
So,
what to do.
You need to. That's the thingy, baby. The wax.
I don't know. I don't know what to do.
That smelly bit. That's the smelly bit of it.
What do I do with it? That's the question.
So that's about it, guys. That's all what we bought in Temu.
Still need to figure out.